Hi everyone, this is Yash Vasant and the Visioning Workshop is happening this Saturday. Now, out of all of the amazing things that I get the opportunity to do every year, I think this one is the most grounding, foundational kind of workshops that I've been able to run with thousands of people over the past so many years. And it's happening this Saturday on the 21st of January at the Novotel Hotel in Ahmedabad. Now, here's the question. If for some of you still feel as to, what this is about, let me put it in perspective. Imagine you made a New Year resolution. It is New Year's, huh? That's why we do it now. Where, you're going to wake up at 5 a.m. every morning and you're going to go for a run. You're going to go exercise. And the alarm clock rings at 5 a.m. in the morning. What do you usually do? Well, most of you are going to say, well, we just hit snooze and we go back to bed. However, imagine another scenario. Next day morning, 5 a.m. in the morning, your eyes open and you need to go to the restroom. You need to go pee. You need to go to the bathroom. What do at 5 a.m. in the morning? Well, you don't hit snooze. You stand up and you go to the bathroom. Because here's the big question in life. Is should you go exercise or must you go exercise? The answer is you should. Should you go to the bathroom or must you go to the bathroom? The answer is you must. And if you convert your shoulds to musts, that's when you become extraordinary. So I'll see you on this Saturday, the 21st at the Novotel Hotel to convert all your shoulds to must, because this life is extraordinary and I hope we all make it a masterpiece.